This is the First Alert Forecast with meteorologist Adam Young.
So we've been talking about the possibility of seeing rain here for tonight going into early tomorrow morning for a couple of days now. Finally starting to see that showing up on satellite and radar, particularly coming out of New Mexico. With also worth mentioning, if you have any kind of flights or anything like that you got to worry about to East Texas, well, quite a bit of rain out there. I've been getting quite a bit of rain for the next couple of days. But that's them. This is us. Seeing some heavier returns now, getting down closer to maybe about the Kermit and Jal areas. They're south of Hobbs. Some of this is trying to work into the South Plains, but most of this isn't reaching the ground quite yet. So I know you're starting to see a little bit of grain on the radar there toward Plains, but you might just see maybe a few drizzle spots in the car windshield here right now. At least that'll be how it starts out with, because we're still a little bit too dry here at the surface. We got to let it kind of rain down. Might come down as virga, which, remember, virga is rain that evaporates before it reaches the ground. Has to come down as that first, and then eventually it'll start really getting to the ground and might be able to get a couple of hundredths of an inch out of it. But I'm still not expecting a lot out of this system here, so it's not going to be a drought buster or anything like that. I think we need actually a couple good snows. I think will help out with the drought quite a bit. So we take a look at Raincast. This is how long things are expected to stick around here for tonight. We go through the evening hours. You can see it's not very well organized. Most of us are going to remain dry here for tonight. But those that are able to get a little bit of rain, well, that'll be a good thing. Every little bit does help. But I think the bigger story might be actually once the rain passes, we're going to see some of the cloud deck try to work its way back up to at least to the Caprock and possibly on the Caprock as well. And this could be in the form of fog for your morning commute and maybe trying to hang around for